new lesson 1.5 for class 5. The lesson name is listening to others' problem. It is related with empathy. Empathy means sahanubhuti. So first I will read the lesson and then the lesson and then we know about what is the meaning of empathy and why is developing empathy important for children and how to treat them who have problem. Okay, first I will read the lesson. Rojita Nagarami is sad today, not for herself but for one of her neighbors. Mukesh uncle, her neighbor, is troubled because of his son Rochak. Rochak should be in a higher grade now, but he is still in a grade 5. It is because he is in a bad company. He does not go to school. Instead, he loiters with the bad boys of his neighborhood. He smokes, even he drinks sometimes. When Mukesh once called him, Rochak ran away from the home and did not return for a week. Mukesh is sad that his son is spoiled. He told Rojita about his. Mukesh almost cried as he told her about Rochak. Rojita listened to him empathetically. What if someone in my family were like Rochak? How miserable my parents would be, she thought to herself. She felt very bad about it. But she told Mukesh uncle not to worry. I will talk to Rochak brother about it. I will try to convince him to give up bad habit and begin to study, she promised him. In this story, Rojita's neighbor's Mukesh uncle was very sad because his son Rochak, including in a bad company, including in a bad manners, including the loiterous bad boys. He doing smoking, he doing drinking sometime, and he left the schools also. So sometimes he scrolled, sometimes his father scrolled. He ran away from the home for a week. So in this situation, the Mukesh uncle was very sad, and he got trouble, and I think this type of situation, if we are creating our home, they are miserable things. Our parents also got tense. Our parents also feeling sad. This type of work we are doing. So the main thing is this lesson is empathy. How we convince, how we understand the other's problem, how we help them, how we give the help to communicate with each other, and how to help them in their problem, and clarification about also, and how to give the solutions, and what we do to put up this type of situations, from the children from the. So firstly I will introduce introduction about the empathy. Empathy means sahanubhuti, the quality of feelings and understanding another person situation in the present moment, their perspective, emotions, actions and reactions, and communicating this to the person. So you know what they are feeling, you know what they are experiencing, and also they communicate that the elite further decision of clarification. We know that there are situations, we know that there are problems, we can feel the same like what they feel also, we can feel if in the empathy. And then we try to clarification, we try to give a solution in that problems. So first, it is very important to children's developing empathy important for children's. The first point is it helps them to build up a sense of security and strong relations. It is build up a sense of security and strong relations with the other children and educator, and positioning them well of the learning. Second point, it encourages the tolerance and acceptation of others. And the third point is it promotes good mental health also. Fourth, it promotes social harmony and reduce the likelihood of bullying. Bullying means badmashi. And the next point is how to treat them who have any problem. How we treat them, someone in a problem, how we treat them using empathy. First, as a good citizen, we must understand their sorrow and pain as our own. This is called empathy. The first thing is we can understand their sorrows and pain like our pain and sorrows. Second is empathy is being able to understand others' problem. The empathy being able to understand the others' problem. They create them to understand others' problems. We must listen their pains and trouble also. We also in the empathy we also listen to their pains and the trouble also. And the fourth is we should try to comfort them. In this type of situation, in other person have a problem, we try to comfort them. We try to comfort them from their pains and troubles. And the fifth is we should offer situations to their problems if we can. We try to give a solution from their problems. We can give solutions to put up from their problems to give a solution. We try to offer the solution to their problems if we can. And the last one is we should express our empathy and consolation we offer can be great help. If we express our empathy and consolation to others who in a problem, it is a great work and also great helps to other ones. That is the main thing is empathy works lots of things. Those person who are in a problem, we can give a comfort zone. We also give a solution. We also understand their sorrows and pain. So empathy is very important for every person's life. I hope class 5 understand about this. The lesson is listening to others' problem. It is very important to listen to other problems because this type of situations come in our life also. So class 5 know about the empathy, why is developing empathy important for children, and how to treat them who have a problem. So I will give the homework, class 5, write it now. Homework for class 5. The question number 1 is, what is empathy? Question number 2, how should we treat people who have problems? And question number 3, page number 24, number 1, free the words in copy. And number 2, fill in the blanks in a book. I hope all understand the lesson what we are learned today. We have learned the empathy, the development, what is the development is important for children, and how we treat the people who in a problems. We also not doing this type of work who hurt our parents. So we try to always away from this type of things. So I hope class 5 you can do your homework and send in Messenger and Max Connect app. Stay home, stay safe.